Hi, welcome to Pandas Series section. In this section, we are going to learn how to construct the Pandas Series object. In order to construct the Pandas Series, we need to import the Pandas and NumPy. Let us import the Pandas and NumPy. Before start working with the Pandas series, we should know what are all the objects the Pandas series accepts. So let us see the documentation and signature of the Pandas series object. The docstring says that it is an one-dimensional ND array with axis labels. Let us see the three important parameters of the series object that are data, index and name, and the additional parameters are data type, copy and fast path. Let us see what are these in brief. Data. It is an array-like one-dimensional object. It may be an iterable object like list or tuple. It may be a dictionary object, or the data may be a scalar, either integer or floating point number. The index. The index may be an array-like object, say for example NumPy array, or it may be another series index object, but the length of the index values must be same as the length of data we use. If we do not use the index labels explicitly, it will default to the range index starting 0 up to the length of data. If we use dictionary object, the default index will override the keys found in the dictionary. That means the keys of dictionary object will replace the range index in this case, and the dictionary values becomes the data of the series object. And finally, the name. It is the name used to represent the Pandas series object. Let us keep this information in an external window. Let us create a simple array-like object like list first. Now I am passing this list into the Pandas series constructor to construct the series object. Equivalently, we can pass the list object directly into the series constructor to construct the series object. That means we can pass the list directly into the series constructor. Let us copy this and paste it. Once again, we got the same series. Here notice that by default the series uses the range index 1 to the length of the data values. In Python, the index starts from 0. Hence, the index labels, that means the range index labels starts from 0 up to the length of the data values. According to Duckstring, the series constructor accepts dictionary object. So let us create a simple dictionary object here. Here notice that the dictionary keys 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 6 became the row index labels. As per the doctrine of series, we can use our own index object and a scalar value to construct the series object. So here I am using a scalar value of 5 and the index from 1 to 5. The scalar value has repeated to fulfill the index elements, that is 5 has been repeated to fulfill the index labels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 used explicitly. As per doctrine, we can also set our own index labels explicitly. Either we can use integer or non-integer elements. Here I am using the dictionary object with the integers as keys, so that by default the dictionary keys will become the index of the series. But at the same time, I am using my own index labels, which are the part of the original index labels, so that I can get a subset of the original series object as per the new explicitly used index labels. This is very helpful in accessing a data in very large file. As per the dictionary, we can also construct a series object using a tabular data. In order to construct a series from the tabular data, we need to import or read a tabular data using any one of the reading method. Here I am using the read_csv method to read the tabular data. After reading it, I can extract or access the individual column as a series object. So let us pass the student name, column name inside the square bracket to extract it as a series. We can easily check the type of the tabular data and the extracted column data to see how they differ from each other. Here I am using type method to see the type of each object. Notice that the tabular data is of type data frame, whereas the extracted column is of type series. These are all the possible way to construct the Pandas series object. Hope you got an idea on how to create the Pandas series objects.